Hey guys, it's Alecea. Welcome back to my channel. I already have my eyebrows done and my concealer on. And today we're just going to be using my James Charles palette. And today I'm just going to be doing a simple look. So I'm going to start off with this orange shade. I have no clue what the names are. I threw that sheet away, so don't ask me. Anyways, I'm just going to start by packing this all over my lid. Now I'm going to use a bigger packing brush in this lighter orange shade. Yeah, I don't know how to really describe it, but yeah. I'm just going to be putting this over that just to darken the crease. Next, I'm going to use this fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that same orange shade, and I'm just going to use this to start blending out that color, and I'm not going to go too far. I just want to blend those two colors together. Now, I'm going to be mixing those two colors together, and just keep blending. Now I'm going to take a smaller packing brush and go in with this darker shade, and I'm just going to pretty much put this all over my lid and stop kind of at the crease. Okay, I thought I put that all over my lid, I guess not. So now I'm going to take I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to mix these two shades, and I'm just going to start blending that out in my crease. Now I'm going to go back in with the light orange shade with the same brush, and I'm just going to start to blend those two out. Okay, here I tried a glitter eyeshadow that I did not like, so I ended up wiping it off. And now I'm going to use my Infallible concealer, which I love. It's pretty much as good as the Tarte. It's just my wrong shade, so I pretty much just use it for my eyes. Anyways, I'm just going to carve that out. Now going back into the James Charles palette, I think the shade is Ring Light. I'm not really sure, but I'm pretty much just going to pack that all over where. Now going with the same packing brushes earlier and same shade, I'm just going to go over the part where the glitter meets, and you just want to blend it. Okay, now we have that done. I'm just going to go do the same thing to my other eye. Now to start off on my face, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I think this is a matte primer, which I feel like it just makes me more oilier and not matte at all. Anyways, it still works. So I'm pretty much just going to be mixing these two foundations, and ooh.
Someone's got that on me. Dude, this fucking bullshit. This dude was fucking invisible, and oh my god.
Okay, so I'm going to start by putting my Tarte foundation on, and then I use my Milani foundation, which I just put on the back of my hand, and just use my Morphe sponge to blend it in. I just use this for more coverage. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and yeah, just conceal. Once I have that all blended in, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia contour kit. Yeah, I don't know if there's a name. It's worn off. It's old. Yep, so I'm just going to be using my Real Techniques brush. Jesus Christ. Anyways, just going to blend that out a little bit because I'm going to go over it with my Morphe sponge. Next, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way powder and just a fluffy brush, and just going to pat where I put my concealer down. After that, I like to go in with this Fit Me powder, which is in the shade Light, I'm pretty sure, just to go over my whole face and set. I'm going to go in for contour, and I'm just going to be using Kylie's in the shade Khaki. This is my favorite and it blends so seamlessly. I'm also going to be using her blush in the shade Pink Party, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, I'm just going to pack this all over my face. Here's the finished look. If you guys liked it, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks!